Do you often find yourself reaching for the painkillers because of constant headache? Or maybe you felt a sharp pain behind your eyes, a pounding on the side of your head, a pressure that just won't go away. But there is a real question. Do you actually know that what type of headache you are having? Because not all headache are the same, and treating the wrong type of headache with the wrong way could make things worse. Welcome to Sourav's Easy Learning. In this video, I will uncover the different types of headache, their causes, and the unique symptoms, and the right treatment and home remedies, plus some natural supplement and lifestyle tips that actually work for you. Stay tuned till the end because understanding your headache is the first step to finally getting relief. First, we have to know what is headache. A headache is a pain or discomfort in your head, scalp, or neck. It can be sharp, dull, or throbbing, or constant for last for few minutes or for few days also. Headache is not a disease itself; it is a symptom. It can be due to stress, dehydration, illness, or even your daily lifestyle, your work management also. There are over 150 types of headache. Every headache tells a different story. Each type of come with own symptom. Some are thrombed, some are strep, some are squeeze. And if you can read the sign, you can treat it right. But we will focus on most common ones. Tension headache, migraine headache, cluster headache, sinus headache, hormonal headache, caffeine withdrawal headache, rebound headache, medication overdose headache. Every headache have different symptoms. In this video, we will learn about all types of headache and their symptoms, how you can find you have these types of headache. Let's look at the common causes behind the headache. There are different causes for the headache. First one is stress and anxiety. Second is lack of sleep or irregular sleep pattern also. Third one is dehydration. Four, if you is skipping meals or irregular eating. Five, poor posture. Six, eye strain, especially from the skin, mobile, laptops. Seven is loud noise and bright lights also. Eight, hormonal changes is mainly for the female after the menstrual cycle. After the menopause, there is some hormonal changes also there. Nine, a strong smell of certain foods also make you headache. 10, high blood pressure. 11, there is some medical condition like sinusitis, infection, or even tumor can cause headache also. There are 150 types of headache is there. Today we are going to know some common types of headache. First one is tension headache. It is also known as stress headache. How it feel? It feel like dull, itching pain also there. You feel like a tight band or pressure around the head. Mainly, the tension headache starts from the back of the head or neck and it's moved forwarded. It's how you identify or the symptoms to identify the tension headache. Pressure across the forehead and the side of the head also. Tiredness in the scalp, shoulder or neck. There is no sign of nausea and vomiting in the stress headache. You may feel more intense as the day progress. Means the triggers for the tension headache. Your stress and anxiety, poor posture, especially from the computer or screen user, lack of sleep or fatigue, also the main trigger for the tension headache. The work management and the stress management is the main cause of the tension headache. Second is migraine. In migraine, pain is one side of your head, like one side of your head, upper of the your eyebrows is the pain is there. How it's feel? It's feel intense and throbbing pain, usually one side of the head. It can last for 4 to 72 hours. Symptoms to identify the migraine headache. There is a sign of nausea and vomiting sometimes also. In migraine headache, sensitivity to light, like photophobia, when you having more exposure to light, it may cause of migraine headache also. And sound phobia also, like for loud voice or loud sound also make migraine attack. In migraine headache, there is some blurred vision or visual disturbance, aura, before the pain is beginning. Aura means I will discuss later. Dizziness or light deadness also there. You may feel better in quiet or dark room. Pain worsen with physical activity. Aura means in some cases you feel some aura in migraine attack, like flashes of light, blind spot, or zigzag line in your vision. When you have migraine attack, you feel like you have some blind spot or zigzag line in your vision, numbness or tightening face or on your hands, difficulty of speaking is a rare cause of migraine attack. There are some common triggers for the migraine attacks like hormonal change, especially in the women after the menopause, after some sudden age, there is some hormonal change in women, and that is also main cause of migraine attack. Sudden food like cheese, chocolate, MCG also may cause the migraine attack. Caffeine or alcohol withdrawal also may cause the migraine attack. Bright light, loud noise also the main cause of the migraine attack. And if you're using some strong smell, or if you feel some strong smell, it also trigger the migraine attack. Stress and the sleep changes also may cause migraine attack. Sinus headache. How it feel? Deep constant pain in the forehead, cheek, around the eyes. Pain increase when you bending forward or you lying down. There is some symptom to identify the sinus headache. Facial pressure or swelling. Second is stuffy or runny nose. Third, fever and fatigue also. Fourth, feeling full of air in your ears. Bad breath usually occur after cold with seasonal allergies also. There is some common triggers of sinus headache like sinus infection like bacterial or viral infection, some allergies, change in weather or air pressure also may cause sinus headache. Now we are going to know cluster headache. Cluster headache is a neurological disorder. This type of headache is rare but very severe. It's mostly affect men more than women. How it's feel? It's feel a stabbing pain around the behind one eye. In sudden or intense come in circle or cluster. That's why it's called cluster headache. Each attack lasts for 15 minutes to 3 hours, often multiple times in a day. Symptoms to identify: red and water eye on the side of the pain, swelling around the eye, runny or blocked nose on the same side, restlessness or during the attacks, often occurs at the same time every day, night or early morning at the same time. The common trigger for the cluster headache is smoking or alcohol, bright lights, high altitudes. Now, caffeine withdrawal headache. Who are used to high number of caffeine in a day in their busy life, when they try to avoid caffeine, some bad headache will occur. It's known as caffeine withdrawal headache. How it's feel? It's feel dull, throbbing headache. Can affect the whole head or just one area. May also facing same problem nowadays. Symptoms to identify the caffeine withdrawal headache, like is feeling low energy, difficulty, less concentration in your work, fatigue, and mood swings also. It may start 12 to 40 hours after skipping regular caffeine intake. It can improve after consuming caffeine also. Common trigger for caffeine withdrawal headache, sudden stop of coffee, tea, soda, or any regular things like chocolates also included there. Lifestyle tips to prevent headaches. Some small changes in your daily routine can make a big difference. First, stay hydrated. Drink 2 to 3 liters of water daily basis. 2. Sleep well. Try to maintain 7 to 8 hours sleep every night. 3. Avoid skipping meals. Eat on time. 4. Exercise regularly. At least 30 minutes in a day. Walking, weight management also you can take. 5. Reduce stress. Try yoga, meditation, breathing exercise also. 6. Limit screen time. Use blue light filter to or take breaks. 7. Watch your posture, especially if you work at a desk. 8. Identify triggers. Keep headache at diary. 9. Avoid excess caffeine or alcohol. 10. Use sunglasses in bright light. Prevent eye strain also. Some natural supplement for headache relief. Some supplement may help prevent or reduce the headache frequency. Magnesium help prevent migraine also. Magnesium help for relaxation muscles also and promote healthy sleep also. 2. Riboflavin is known as vitamin B2, effective for migraine prevention. 3. Coenzyme Q10. Coenzyme Q10 support brain health also. Feverfew, a herb that may reduce migraine frequency. Butterbur may reduce migraine attack also. And last one is melatonin. Help regulate sleep for migraine sufferers. Some home remedies that help in migraine and headache also. For mild headache, try these simple remedies. 1. Drink water. Hydrating is the key. 2. Cold or warm compression. Cold for the migraine, warm for the tension or sinus headache. 3. Massage. Gentle massage on your temples or necks also. 4. Rest in dark, in quiet room with no sound also. 5th, steam inhalation. Is very helpful for sinus headache also. Ginger tea. Ginger tea is a natural anti-inflammatory which help to fight against the migraine attack. Last one is peppermint and lavender oil. Apple on temples or for relief. Lavender also help make you relaxation also. Treatment option for the headache. Over-the-counter medicine, OTC medicine like paracetamol, ibuprofen, aspirin. Aspirin should be avoided in child. Like this combination of paracetamol, ibuprofen, caffeine may help for the migraine attack. Prescription medicine for migraine or severe cases like triptans like sumatriptan, some beta blocker like which for anti-seizures medicines, CGRP inhibitors also help for the migraine, telfenamic acid, flunarizine, it's also help for the migraine attacks. Always consult a doctor for regular or severe headache. Headache can be frustrating, but understanding the cause and making simple lifestyle changes can help you live a comfortable life. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Sourav is running for more health and wellness tips. Stay healthy, stay happy. Thank you. Have a good day, everyone.